In today's video, we delve into an ancient and often overlooked technique that has been passed down through generations for thousands of years, the art of breath control, particularly the So-Ham Vidya from the Bhairavi Science Tantra. This ancient method promises not only to help us attain higher consciousness, but also to manifest our desires in the physical world. But how can something as simple as breathing change your life forever? Well, stick around until the end to find out how this powerful practice can transform not just your physical being, but your mental and spiritual state as well. Body 1. The power of breath, a hidden tool for transformation. We often take breathing for granted. It's a natural part of life, something we do every second without thinking. But in many spiritual traditions, breath is considered the bridge between the physical and spiritual worlds. Breath is not just about staying alive, it's the key to unlocking higher states of awareness. Breathing techniques, such as those found in ancient Indian teachings, have been used for centuries to help people achieve a heightened state of consciousness. These practices are based on the understanding that our breath affects our mind, body, and spirit in profound ways. The So-Ham Vidya, for instance, is rooted in the idea that the simple act of aligning our breath with specific sounds can lead us to manifest the life we desire. The science behind this is quite fascinating. When we take deep, conscious breaths, we send signals to our brain and body, signaling relaxation, focus, and heightened awareness. This sets off a cascade of biochemical changes in the body, reducing stress, boosting energy levels, and even improving mental clarity. It's no surprise that many ancient traditions believed that mastery over breath could unlock divine powers within us. 2. So-Ham Vidya, the secret breath of the divine. So-Ham Vidya is much more than just a breathing technique. It's a deeply spiritual practice that helps us align with the universe itself. Let's break down the technique and its meaning in a way that brings clarity. The meaning of So and Ham. So and Ham are Sanskrit words that hold immense spiritual significance. These words represent the sounds made during inhalation and exhalation, respectively. Each sound carries a deep spiritual meaning. So the sound when inhaling, the sound So is associated with the intake of breath, and it symbolizes the cosmic energy or the life force, known as prana in many Indian spiritual traditions. This sound signifies that as we breathe in, we are drawing in the energy of the universe, connecting us with the divine, the universe, and all the elements that make up life itself. Ham, the sound when exhaling. The sound Ham corresponds to exhalation, the process of releasing breath. It symbolizes the release of our personal consciousness, the individual self, and the ego. In a sense, when we breathe out, we let go of our limited perception and ego, surrendering ourselves to a higher consciousness. Together, the mantra So-Ham translates to I am that. It signifies the realization that we are not separate from the universe. Our individual soul, or consciousness, is inherently connected with the universal consciousness. This is a profound realization that helps us understand our oneness with everything around us, removing the barriers between self and the universe, breathing in harmony with the universe. Now, let's dive into how breathing in sync with the So-Ham mantra can elevate our consciousness. When we practice So-Ham Vidya, we consciously synchronize our breath with the mantra. We inhale while mentally chanting So, and exhale while mentally chanting Ham. This creates a natural rhythm that connects us to the cosmic energy in every breath. Inhaling the cosmic energy So, when we breathe in, we are not merely taking in air. We are symbolically drawing in the energy of the universe, aligning our internal self with the vastness of cosmic energy. This process nourishes our soul, filling us with vitality, calm, and clarity. The inhalation represents the universe flowing into us, reminding us of our divine nature and the immense power that exists within and around us. Exhaling the personal consciousness ham. On the exhale, we release the personal self, the ego, the limiting beliefs, the attachments. As we let go of each breath, we are metaphorically letting go of our smaller identity and returning to the higher state of universal consciousness. This is not about self-neglect or loss, but rather about experiencing freedom from the constraints of the ego, allowing us to become more attuned to the cosmic flow of energy. Oneness with the universe. By synchronizing our breath with this powerful mantra, we experience a profound state of oneness with the universe. As we engage in So-Ham Vidya, we align ourselves with the higher energies that permeate the cosmos. Our individual self merges with the universal consciousness, and we can feel this deep connection with everything around us, the universe, nature, and all living beings. This practice helps us transcend the boundaries of the mind, which often limits our understanding of the world. Instead of seeing ourselves as separate, we begin to recognize that we are an integral part of the whole. This realization brings peace, a sense of interconnectedness, and a deeper spiritual awakening. Awakening latent energies. One of the remarkable aspects of So-Ham Vidya is its ability to awaken latent energies within us. These energies are dormant forces that, when activated, can enhance our spiritual journey. As we continue with this practice, we begin to unlock our inner potential, allowing us to experience states of heightened awareness, deep meditation, and connection with our true essence. In essence, the more we practice So-Ham Vidya, the more our consciousness expands. We move beyond the limitations of the mind, the body, and the ego, gradually embracing the infinite wisdom of the universe. This leads us towards spiritual growth, a deeper understanding of our true self, and the realization of our higher purpose. By practicing So-Ham Vidya, we not only enhance our physical well-being, but also align ourselves with divine energy. It allows us to tap into a higher state of consciousness and spiritual awakening. The mantra So-Ham serves as a reminder that we are not separate from the universe, and through conscious breathing, we can experience unity with all that is. This practice invites us to transcend the ordinary, embrace the extraordinary, and manifest our true potential. 3. Practical application of So-Ham Vidya. While the So-Ham Vidya technique is simple in theory, integrating it into daily life can be challenging. The key to making it work lies in consistency, patience, and the willingness to truly connect with the present moment. Let's explore how we can bring this powerful practice into our daily routines and overcome the obstacles that may arise along the way, integrating So-Ham Vidya into daily life. 1. Start with small steps. The practice of So-Ham Vidya does not require hours of meditation or complex rituals to begin with. In fact, it's best to start small, especially if you're new to breathwork or meditation. Start with just a few minutes each day. Even a few minutes of conscious breathing can have a profound impact on your state of mind. Whether it's in the morning before you begin your day, during a break at work, or before going to bed. Dedicating just 5 minutes to the practice can begin to shift your awareness and energy. Gradually increase your practice. Once you become more comfortable with the practice, you can increase the time, gradually working up to 15 to 20 minutes. Over time, this short, daily practice can help to recalibrate your mind and energy, helping you maintain calm and focus in all areas of your life. 2. Cultivate awareness throughout the day. While it's helpful to dedicate time specifically to the So-Ham Vidya technique, the ultimate goal is to bring that awareness into every moment of your day. This doesn't mean you need to meditate constantly, but it does involve becoming mindful of your breath and your thoughts throughout the day. Mindful breathing. Whenever you feel stressed, overwhelmed, or distracted, take a moment to pause and bring your focus to your breath. Inhale deeply with So and exhale with Ham. You can even do this while commuting, in meetings, or when handling challenging situations. This helps bring you back to the present moment and calm your mind, no matter what's happening around you. Check in with your breath. Try to become aware of your breath during various activities, whether you're working, eating, or walking. By making this a habit, you can maintain an inner sense of calm and connection with the universal flow of energy. 3. Use So-Ham Vidya as a tool for manifestation. As So-Ham Vidya is deeply connected to manifestation, you can apply it to your personal goals and desires. To do so, focus on your intentions while practicing the breathwork technique. Each breath you take becomes a channel for your energy to align with your desires. Set intentions before beginning your practice. Before you start, think of something you would like to manifest, whether it's a personal goal, professional ambition, or emotional healing. Focus on it as you inhale and exhale, visualizing the energy of the universe helping you to achieve your intention. This process helps you harmonize your inner desires with the flow of universal energy, making manifestation easier. Align your thoughts with your breath. The more you practice So-Ham Vidya, the more you'll notice how your thoughts and emotions shift. The practice can help you release negative or limiting beliefs and replace them with positive, empowering ones. When you align your thoughts with your breath, you become more attuned to the world around you, and opportunities to manifest your desires seem to appear more effortlessly. For overcoming obstacles, the challenges of consistency. Despite the simplicity of the technique, sticking to So-Ham Vidya can be difficult for several reasons. Busy schedules. With our hectic lives, finding even a few minutes to meditate can feel impossible. However, making breathwork a non-negotiable part of your daily routine is key. Consider setting reminders or incorporating it into natural pauses in your day, such as before meals or when you wake up in the morning. Restlessness and distractions. It's common for the mind to wander or for distractions to arise during breathwork. Don't be discouraged if your mind drifts. Simply bring it back to your breath. Over time, with consistent practice, you'll find it easier to maintain focus and deeper levels of relaxation. Impatience with progress. Sometimes, we expect immediate results or rapid changes. However, like any spiritual practice, So-Ham Vidya requires time and patience. Trust that the effects will unfold gradually, and focus on the small improvements you notice in your mental clarity, emotional well-being, and spiritual awareness. 5. Creating a sacred space. Another way to integrate So-Ham Vidya into your life is to create a peaceful and sacred space where you can practice the technique regularly. This doesn't have to be a separate room, but it could be a specific corner of your home where you can sit comfortably and breathe with intention. A simple, quiet space. Find a spot where you can be undisturbed for a few minutes each day. You might place a candle, incense, or meaningful objects to help set the intention for your practice. Mindful environment. Try to make the space free from distractions such as electronics or noise. The purpose is to create a space where you can connect deeply with your breath and the universal energy. Conclusion. Integrating So-Ham Vidya into your daily life is not about perfection or following strict rules. It's about creating a deeper connection with your breath and aligning with the energy of the universe. Though it may seem challenging at first, with patience, consistency, and mindfulness, this simple yet powerful technique can bring transformative benefits to your life. Remember, breath is the bridge between your personal consciousness and the cosmic flow. So, with each breath you take, align your being with the higher energies around you and manifest your dreams. Through So-Ham Vidya, you awaken the divine energy within, slowly shifting your life towards the direction you desire. By practicing breathwork regularly, you not only enrich your spiritual practice, but also experience greater harmony in your day-to-day life. While the path may seem simple, the rewards are profound, and with perseverance, you will begin to see the life-changing effects unfold right before your eyes. For manifesting your desires through breath, you might be wondering how something as simple as breathing could help you manifest your desires. The key lies in the connection between your breath, your mind, and your energy. When you align your breath with your intentions, you create a powerful force of manifestation. Think of it like this: when you breathe consciously and with purpose, you focus your energy and attention on what you want to manifest. Your thoughts, emotions, and energy are aligned, making it easier for the universe to bring your desires into reality. But it's not just about wishful thinking. This practice requires dedication, consistency, and a deep connection with your inner self. The more you practice So-Ham Vidya, the clearer your desires will become, and the more aligned you'll be with the cosmic forces that can help bring them to fruition. 5 real-life examples, transformations through breath. Let me share a few real-life examples of how people have transformed their lives through the practice of conscious breathing. One of my friends, Sarah, struggled with stress and anxiety for years. She tried countless methods to calm her mind, but nothing seemed to work. After discovering the So-Ham Vidya, she committed to practicing it daily. Within weeks, she noticed a significant reduction in her anxiety levels, and she was able to approach her challenges with a calm, clear mind. Another example is Michael, who had a long-standing desire to launch his own business, but never felt confident enough to take the leap. After practicing breath control techniques, he felt a surge of confidence and clarity. His business, which he had been dreaming of for years, became a reality. He attributes his success to the heightened awareness and energy he gained through his breathwork practice. These stories demonstrate that the power of breath is not just theoretical. It can bring about tangible, real-world changes. When we align our breath with our intentions, we unlock a hidden source of power that allows us to manifest our dreams. In conclusion, the ancient practice of So-Ham Vidya is a powerful tool for anyone looking to elevate their consciousness and manifest their desires. By focusing on your breath and connecting with the universe, you can transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Remember, the key to success in this practice lies in consistency and dedication. By committing to just a few minutes of focused breathwork each day, you can begin to experience the profound benefits of this ancient technique. Breathing is more than just a physiological function. It's the gateway to higher consciousness, manifestation, and spiritual growth. So take a deep breath, focus your energy, and let the universe work its magic. You have the power within you. It's just waiting to be unlocked.